T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Command engine start. 2, 1.
Altimeter on the bottom left corner of your screen, approaching max Q, maximum dynamic pressure on the rocket. Max Q confirmed. She continues to punch her way to space. A beautiful burn on that BE-3 engine. All right, main engine cutoff is confirmed. While the speed is declining, you'll notice, of course, that the rocket and the capsule are continuing its ascent to space. We're coming up shortly on separation. That is when the capsule is going to separate from the booster. There it is. Separation is confirmed. At this point, if you were an astronaut on board, this is when you're going to start to feel that weightlessness. We're going to let you unbuckle. I know I'd be doing my somersaults in there before taking in those spectacular views out of the world's largest windows that have ever been to space. We have crossed the 350,000 foot mark, which is what we were aiming for. Wow, almost right on the nose. 350,775 feet, 1,000 feet. That is absolutely incredible. That is exactly what we were targeting. Now, of course, this is the unofficial altitude of our apogee. We will be confirming all of these statistics after the flight. Next here, we're looking for the drag brakes to deploy. There we go. Drag brakes deployed. That is cutting the speed. See New Shepard right over my shoulder. She is coming in. Boom! There we go. Solid. That motor just came in nicely. Look at that hover of the BE-3 engine. Absolutely spectacular. And touchdown. Welcome home, New Shepard. Wow, absolutely spectacular flight. That is the 4th mission to space and back for that rocket. That, everybody, is a reusable rocket. There go the drogues. Those are the guide parachutes. We're now waiting for the mains. A little bit of coning. That's all right. Those mains should take care of that. Reefing of the parachutes. Now waiting for full inflation. There we go. And touchdown. Welcome home, New Shepard. Incredible day. Kudos to the whole team. Kudos to our customers that are down here. A big thank you to NASA for being part of this mission. Absolutely beautiful.